What is in the towing package on a Chevrolet truck? This is a 95 model, so this would probably be true for 88 to 98 models, maybe other models as well. So go in the glove box and look at the vehicle codes. If you see Z28, it means you have a Camaro, but if you have Z82, it means you have the towing package. In my case, you can see the Z82 there, which means towing package, and Z71, which means off-road package. So what's in the towing package? A larger air cleaner and a transmission cooler. You can see that little box right there is the transmission cooler. It keeps the transmission cool. I've heard that these transmissions have trouble failing because of overheating, so even if you don't have the towing package, you should probably put a cooler on it just to be safe. But this is probably why my transmission hasn't had any trouble. And then on the back, of course, you get this beautiful Chevrolet trailer hitch. And I'll give you a better close-up look. You also get the wiring. So there's wiring and a hitch that come with the trailer towing package. And that's it. That's all you get. Just look for Z82 on your truck. If it's a Z82, then that means it came stock with this stuff. If it's not Z82 in the glove box, then that means that somebody put a aftermarket trailer hitch on it. And you probably don't have a transmission cooler. So I need to get me a Z82 sticker to put on the back of the truck along with my Z71, and I'll be all set. I bet I could buy a Z28 Camaro sticker off of eBay and just cut it in half and transpose the numbers.